So total number of boys and girls is 50. Total money we have is 41 rupees, and it is divided among boys and girls. It is divided among boys and girls. Okay. So each boy is going to get 90 paisa, and each girl is going to get 65 paisa. Okay, this may be 100 years back, because present days we don't value this. It may be long back. Okay, now we have to find how many boys, how many girls are there. We have to find how many boys and how many girls are there. Okay, now what we will do, just we will add this to, okay, we will add this to. Now what is the sum? From this, what is the sum? $90 plus 65, it is 5, 15, okay, 1 rupee 55 paisa, 1 rupee 55 paisa, and you have to divide this with 41, you have to divide this with 41, so 41 rupees is nothing but 4100 paisa, 155 paisa, okay, if you cancel it, and you will know how many, and the total should be, okay, boys and girls, the total should be 50, boys and girls, the total should be 50, and if you divide this, what will happen? If you cancel with 5, this is 3 times 1 time. If you cancel with 5, it is 820. And if you again simplify this, this is the prime number 31. Here it will not be there. We can also do like this. We can make it as equation 1. Second equation, 90 paisa means 0.9 rupees. 65 paisa means 0.65. I will make another equation, 0.9 boys plus 0.65 girls is going to be 41 rupees. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. Okay. Now we have to multiply. Now we have to multiply equation 1. I will be multiplying equation 1 completely, okay, with 0.9. What will happen? 0.9 if I multiply equation 1, 0.9 boys plus 0.9 girls is nothing but 50 into 0.9. 5 into 9, it is 45. 5 into 9, it is 45. Okay. Now, if you subtract, what will happen? If you subtract, this will be minus, 1 minute. So if you subtract, sign change for the second number. If you subtract, sign change for the second number. Okay. And here it will be minus 0.25 girls equal to minus 4. Minus will get cancelled. 4 is nothing but, this G is nothing but 4 divided by 0.25. 4 4s are 16. 16 girls are present. So number of boys is nothing but 50 minus 16, which is 34. Okay. And then what they have asked, find the number of boys and girls, but in the options they are giving the ratio of boys and girls. In the options they have given ratio of boys and girls. If you cancel with 2, it is 17 by 8. If you cancel with 2, it is 17 by 8. Okay. So 17 is to 8. So in this way also it can be tried. The other thing what I have done, in this way also it can be tried. Okay. Other than that, you can also try on the left side what I have done. Equation 1 into 0.9. Okay. So 0.9 into equation 1, I have taken this, and this is 1a, 2 and 1a I have solved. I am getting number of girls as 16. I am substituting that, okay, in equation 1 using G equal to 16 in equation 1, I am getting 34. They are asking number of boys and girls, but in the options it is given ratio of boys and girls. Ratio of boys and girls, it is 17 by 8. Ratio of boys and girls, it is 17 by 8. Okay. So we will stop here. we will stop here. I think I have come to the end.